it's going to be the left common carotid, the right common carotid is going to be, that's the one that's broken out. Now also, now we back up a little bit. We can stop right here and then go back to this. Here's the left subclavian. The left subclavian on this cat is pretty good from the standpoint of vertebral, costocervical, thyrocervical, internal mammary. Then after the thyrocervical comes off, that becomes known as the axillary until, now see, here's the thing, until we find the biggest one going down off of that thing. The biggest one going down, what did I do with it? There it is, let's see. All right, the biggest one going down is going to be the subscapular, wherever it is.
That's the one going down, you said, right?
Yeah, one going down.
That one?
Yeah, like right there. Then see, this would be called the brachial, going on out. And I'll try to show you another one on another cat too. But it's called the brachial. All that's brachial, going through the hole in the arm. All right, let's go back over to this thing. Here's the left common carotid. We come on up the left there's the left subclavian.
Which is the right one?
The right subclavian's way over here.
Are you not?
Well, see, I could. See, here's the right. See, there's the right common carotid there. It's all broken out. There's the right this is the right subclavian. And there'll be it's usually, sometimes you find a real good vertebral costocervical on this side. All that same stuff on this side. There it goes. See, there's the axillary going on out. I think same thing. I might see a little bit better subscapular on this side. Well, I don't know. It's still kind of little. Then that would be brachial going on out there. But back on this now, back on the left common carotid, back to the left common carotid, coming on up here. There, see, there is the superior thyroid. Here is the lingual. There's the external carotid, right there where it curves. Then you come on up, and see, normally right here, this comes on out like that, and then this branch comes this way, but that branch is missing. However, what's not missing is the fork around the jawbone. See, the fork around the jawbone would be the labial. You see? And then down deep here, the biggest one down deep would be the posterior auricular. Kind of follow? You kind of see that a little bit? All right, I need to look at these cats is what I need to look at. I need to look at all... Coming on down this way. Okay, guys, it's not too bad. I mean, it's going to work out. Because we're going to follow this thing up. Follow it. There's several little branches down in here. Forking. See, right, I've got some key things right here, though. I've got a lingual, an external carotid, then down deep, we'll say posterior, those are auriculars down there, posterior auricular, and right up here, all right, now if we could see, we got blue in the way, there's muscle, if we can find, come on guys, cooperate. Right in here, we've got, now I kind of exposed a little vessel. You see that, Florida? You see that? That's the way, if you see going around the jaw like that, that would be, we got a blue in our way right here. But it comes up as a fork. There's an anterior auricular and posterior auricular. All you have to know is it's not auricular. Labial, I apologize. Labial around the jawbone. So those would be the labials, okay? The auricular would be here.
No, you want to know it's labial, not anterior.
Well, you don't have to know the posterior anterior labial. If I just put a little sticker, flag there, and I'll have one where you can see the forking good. I want to find a real good forking around the jawbone, and just know the lingual going to the tongue, the external carotid, the curve right in here, and posterior auricular, and most likely a labial. Labial around the jawbone.
What is the curve called?
External carotid. I just go by what B.L. Allen calls it. That's the way he refers to it. Here curve actually starts at, yeah, about right here. Calls it external carotid. And the thing that comes off here, the base of that he calls external maxillary. I don't really ask that. And it has some branches off of it. And the only thing I really go for is just the auricular down here, because those things are kind of confusing. And then, but then I like, if you can see the fork, that's pretty obvious on the labial. All right, let me look at another cat. Get the muscle out of the way. Okay, yeah, oh yeah. See, you've got a real good superior thyroid. One of the better. There's a thyroid. Wait a minute. That's the way the superior thyroid looks, right there. That branch right there. Now let's see if we can find. Yeah. See, you've got a. Oh yeah. See, there's a lingual right there. That thing's coming on around, curving on. There it is, going under the tongue. The lingual.
You can see that
it?
good.
That's a good one. You see that lingual. Very good. All right, now then, right here. Okay, now what I need to do though, what I need to see is the curve here. I need to pick up. Okay, there it is. I see it now. There it is down there. Now it is. There it is. There we go. Now we're coming along. Now we're coming along. That's coming up this way. Okay, and then it's going to be one deep. And this right here, I'd love to be able to see a good fork around the jawbone on this guy. And so I'm picking around, following it on up, following it, and I'm beginning to pick up. And I think I'm beginning to see. Okay, there it is, kind of forking. There's the jawbone right there. It's the bone. And let's see. There we go. Okay.
When is the test for the gal? Next Thursday?
No.
31st. 31st.
Yeah, it's for spring break.
Are we coming back and gonna have like a day before you take it? Because I'm wondering.
Oh
when to
yeah,
take the
yeah. We'll have a one day.
So I should take the cap now.
Probably be good. Whenever.
I've been lucky so far.
It's like 2 weeks, I think.
And when is lecture test?
Next Thursday.
Probably not, because we missed today.
Thank God.
Now I think I think if you look at your schedule, I don't think the CAT test is the week we come back. I think it's the following week. Yeah. So we'll have a full
We have
week.
spring break to do lecture.
So we're going to study over spring break for lecture.
I doubt it.
Don't stab me.
All right, here I doubt it. All right, now what we need to see here, and you can kind of pick it up. It's kind of a funny forking, but it is right here. See, that's a little. It comes up and it goes that way and that way. Do you kind of see that?
Mm-hmm.
That's labial. And then right here, that's just a branch to the parotid salivary gland. There's the posterior auricular down deep, and then there's the lingual. And you had back up here you had, okay. And I need to. That's a very good internal mammary. Now this has to come off. Okay. Yeah, okay. Now right in here is your VCT. That's going to move this vein out of the way here. I'm not going to cut it off. The vein part. Alright, now there is a... Okay, now we pretty well, if we find a third one down in there, it's such a big cat. It goes like VCT, vertebral, concervical, fiber cervical, and then we get this off right here. Where I need my clippers. Oh, that's in the way right there. That's going on down in the arm now. We've got vertebral, concervical, fiber cervical, axillary, and that axillary comes, the biggest one coming down here, not that. There we go. Let's see. There it comes. There it is. There it is. That's the axillary. And then there's a branch off of it. The biggest branch off of that thing, we'll find the biggest one, going down. The biggest branch going down is going to be the subscapular. And we need to get a good view of that. It's kind of small there, but we're going to have to pick one of them out. Let it be there it is. There it is. That's the biggest one right there. It's under there. It's under there. See it? That's the big one. That's the biggest one. That's the subscapular, so this is brachial. Brachial on down. It's the brachial all the way down to the hole in the bone. And it's radial. Now, one of y'all cut between these muscles and you find the radial, okay? Y'all got some, but that gets you pretty well caught up. You do have a good internal mammary on this side. You can try, I'm not going to trim all that. I need to see other caps. That vessel goes down through there, right there. This stuff needs to come off, but you do have a good internal mammary on this side. Right there. That's an internal mammary. That's the right common carotid, left common carotid, and we traced this out on your left one a while ago. We traced it out pretty good. So that gets you in pretty good. You just need to work on it a little bit, okay? I got you pretty good. Well, okay, here's the brachiocephalic right here. That's the brachiocephalic. It's the one that divides. It's the one that divides into. It divides. See, here's the brachiocephalic. There's the left common carotid, right common carotid, and off that right common carotid, off of the brachiocephalic also. See right here. Let me show you. Brachiocephalic, right common carotid, left common carotid, and right subclavian. And off the right subclavian, the internal mammary, and so forth. You kind of follow?